Hi, I'm glad you're here. And if you're watching this, I want you to know something right away. There's nothing wrong with you. Okay, and there's nothing wrong with your relationship for needing help communicating better. Every couple, yes, even the ones who seem perfect, struggle to feel heard sometimes. We shut down, we talk over each other, we get defensive, or we say things we don't mean just to protect ourselves. Not because we're broken. It's because most of us were never taught how to do this part well. How to speak from the heart. How to stay open when it gets uncomfortable. Or how to truly listen without taking everything personally. That's why I created this course. Not just to give you a few tools or scripts, but to help you rebuild the emotional foundation your relationship is built on. Because when communication breaks down, what's really breaking is trust, safety, and connection. And what gets lost isn't just words, it's closeness. So this course isn't about talking more. It's about learning how to connect through communication again. To feel like teammates instead of opponents. To know you can bring up the hard stuff without it turning into a fight or a shutdown. And this is just the first course in a couples relationship skills series. Each course in this series is designed to take you a little bit deeper, to move from the surface struggles to the emotional core that really drives lasting love. In this first course, we're focusing on communication because it's the doorway. Once you can talk safely, honestly, and effectively, you'll be able to step into the next phase, which is conflict repair, rebuilding trust, intimacy, emotional safety. All of that becomes possible when this foundation is strong. So whether you're here trying to save your relationship or just grow it into something stronger, you're in the right place. And I'll be walking with you every step of the way. If you're ready, let's get started.